Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to create overlays on CapCut PC. For example, this video at this project, I put a dinosaur in front of Luis Suarez picture. So as you can see, this is already overlay on the picture. So I will start from the beginning. What you have to do is you have your own canvas, for instance, your clip or your footage, anything. And then on this video, I'm going to show you the example from the library, from the CapCut itself, the green screen clip. Let's say I'll choose this eagle. So I open this eagle. At the first, the eagle is flying through the green screen. Now you have to remove the green screen by using on this video and then be cut out. You just click this check to chroma key and then you pick the color you want to delete. Commonly, the chroma key is very useful for the green color, but if you have different clip or like black or brown and so on, it could be able to do these days nowadays. So then you just move the strength of your removing the chroma key until completely the green one is gone. Now it's already gone. You also add some shadows like this until you think it's suitable for your videos. Now, as you can see, I have the eagle flying into Luis Suarez faces and Messi faces, etc. Okay, this is very simple tutorial for the beginners. It's up to you for your creativity. The point is you have to use this cutout and chroma key and then make sure your video in good quality, especially for the background. I suggest you find the green color of background. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.